You opening your card?
No.
Roxy, stop.
No.
Come here, Roxy. Do you want help? Help, please. Okay. Here we go. Open it up. Here, I'll hold this part. You pull it. Whoa! Look at that. What is it, Ellen? It's a card. Whoa. Do you want to open it?
Yeah.
Let's open it together. Let's see what it says. Let's see what it says. Whoa, this is a hard card. Ooh. It says, hey, look, look. It says, so lucky to have a granddaughter like you. So special, so sweet, and so lovable, too. Happy Valentine's Day. We love you like crazy. Love, Grammy and Papu. Could you blow Grammy and Papu a kiss? Throw Grammy and Papu kisses. Say, I love you.
Hello.
Say it again. Say, I love you.